Hello tired everybody, welcome to another update. We're currently in the kitchen looking out over the garden. It's a bit rainy today, so staying inside. It was nice earlier on, I got a bit of work done. I'll show you that in a bit. Dan's been busy de-brambling, renovated last week, and she's gradually just digging her way through, taking all the little bramble roots out. Well, I say little. Some of them are the size of footballs. But she's working hard and getting on with it. In here, we've cut back the chimney to just above ceiling height. So that will all be hidden. And all these bricks will be getting rendered. And to level out the floor, which is about 30 mil from one end to the other, we've laid a concrete subfloor. Did that 2 days ago. Nearly killed myself. It's about 16, 17 bags of sand, 4 or 5 bags of cement. Made good use of the mixer though, that worked well. Got a levelling compound to put on it next. And then we'll be sorted. And in other news, we've got some power into the utility room. This goes under the floor, back to the fuse box in the living room. This is all just junk at the moment, dumping ground for everything. So this week, the project is to get the Starlink satellite dish set up. Took advantage of the weather this morning. And this is how we got anything. Right now we just need to clean this up a bit. Another few little modifications to this, and then we'll be ready to try it on the bracket. Right, let's make a cut out. Turn it over, put a crease in it, and then we should be able to bend it. Oh. This should do the job. There we go. Right. And what that's for is there's a bolt in the way. So I'll slide across the bolt, and drill a hole here, and put another bolt in. Job's a good one. Okay, time to drill the access hole for the Starlink. There we go. Only just made it. Now, to make this fit the Starlink mast, you need to put a cut in it. That should do.